Hi love, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you to all my subscribers, both the new and the old ones. Thank you so much. So on today's video, we're preparing Ogbono soup. Have you tried combining Ogbono and oha leaf? My god, my dear, if you've not, this video is for you. Come, let's do something different. So inside the pot we have more stockfish and beef. Yes, these are the things, the rich I'll be using for this soup. So at this point the stockfish is soft, so I will have to add water and then allow it to boil a bit before I continue the cooking. Yeah, because as you can see the water was dried up, so I needed to add water that I'll be using for the soup, and I'll allow it to be hot before I start adding this oil. I allowed it to be hot, so I added oil. I will cover and then come back to add the next ingredients. Yeah, as you can see, I blended yellow pepper, that's Cameroon pepper, crayfish, upehe. I blended the three together. Yeah, and then I will introduce into the pot. I will then allow it to boil. Yeah, because it has to boil before I start adding the next ingredient, which is the host of the day, Ogbono itself. This Ogbono, actually blended it with crayfish too. Yeah, I blended the Ogbono and crayfish together, and then I will allow it to cook. And as you can see, it is in kutu. No fair, you allow it to cook for like 10 minutes before you add the oha leaf, like I've done now. Yeah, one thing I love about this soup is that it's very easy and fast. If you are hungry, this one cooks faster than noodles. Yes, so the next thing I'll be adding is smoked fish. Yeah, here at this point, my lovely people, the aroma is just everywhere. So but let's continue. So the next ingredient is the seasoning, just a cube. Yeah, just a cube. Don't go and add more than a cube. Well, though, depending on the quantity of the soup you'll be making. And I've added salt for taste. I will then stir. At this point, I hope you are salivating, because as I am stirring this thing, I'm salivating as well. Get your plate ready. Get every ready. That swallow you want to dissect the soup with, get it ready, because it is about to go down. This soup is for all my followers on Facebook, all my subscribers. This soup is for you. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. Thank you for following this channel. I love you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're watching from Facebook, don't forget to follow, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to every thank you so much. So this is the outcome. So if you've not combined Ogbono with oha leaf, my dear, try it. I say go and try it. Try it and come back to say thank you, because the test go carry you go where you know. Go where you don't know. Thank you so much.